Hello everyone, welcome back to Defi Dragon. Today we create a Telegram bot that will be post token price in a group or a channel. Here is our bot that will be posted token price every 10 second. So we can manage the timing. So it will be fetch the details like token name, symbol, total supply, and also we can give the details for the uh, websites and the telegram. And here is the token price and the contract address. So in this script we just initialize a simple project, then we create a index.js file and the four dependencies like telegram bot API, axios, web3 we required. And for secure our information like API key and telegram bot token, so we install .env, and then we are providing the API here and the setting web3. So here is the API and the function for the name, for the symbol, for the total supply, and this is the balance of, and is for the decimals. Here is we are updating the contract address, and we are making a contract. So here we are passing the bot, telegram and chat ID. So here we are fetching the price, token price, the provider, like this address we provide, it will be fetch the token price. Here we are getting token info from the contract, then we are making an instance, and these details we want to post. We use some emojis, and there is our final message we are sending. Okay, so if we run this bot, so I have to command node index.js. Okay, as you can see, is now posting the price, updated price, and every 10 seconds. So if we click here, this is the Sora AI token and website sora-ai.vip. If you want to get the script for this bot, please contact on Telegram.